animals.
Hello, everybody. How are you today? Good? Awesome. Look where I am today. I'm at the farm. I'm with a horse, a big horse. Today, we're going to talk about animals and colors. But first, I'm gonna give the horse some grass. They love grass. Here, horsey. Yummy.
Let's talk about colors. Colors, colors, colors. Oh, look at the baby pig. A piglet. What color is the piglet? What color is the baby pig? Hmm. Yes, pink. Very good. Repeat. Pink, 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 pink. Wow, pink. Whoa, look at this frog. What color is the frog? The frog is green. Yes. You say it. Green, 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 green. Very good. And green, 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 green. Good moves, bear. Oh, look at this baby duck. A duckling. What color is the duckling? Yellow. Yes. The duckling is yellow. You say it. Yellow, 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 yellow. Very good. Woohoo! Yellow.
Look, this is a dog. His name is Copo. Look at his color. Copo is white. You say it, white.
White, 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 white. Whoops.
Look at this beautiful horse. This horse is black. You say it, black.
Black, black, black. Black.
Look at the chickens. Look at this chicken. This chicken is brown. You say it, brown. Brown. Hi, you're black and white.
Brown, brown, brown.
Brown. Good moves. Look. It's a butterfly. Look at the cocoon. The butterfly is being born. You say it, butterfly. Butterfly. Wow. Look at the circles. The circles have yellow, black, brown, and white. Look at the lines. Beautiful butterfly. Wow. This butterfly is blue. You say it. Blue. Blue. Good job. Blue. Activity time.
All right, so look, Peter the Panda says listen to the song, trace, and color. Okay, so you're gonna trace, and then you're gonna color. Green, green, blue, blue, black, black, yellow, yellow. Okay? Pink, pink. Have fun!
Animals. A song.
A beautiful, beautiful butterfly is sitting on my nose. It's black and white and green and blue and pink and yellow too. It's black and white and green and blue and pink and yellow too. A beautiful